Hey everyone! Today, I'm super excited to talk about something that's going to revolutionize your video editing workflow, Filmora 14. This latest version from Wondershare is loaded with AI-powered features that make editing faster, easier, and way more creative. Whether you're a beginner or an intermediate user, Filmora 14 has got something for you. First up, let's dive into the features. One of the coolest additions is the AI text-based editing. Imagine being able to edit your videos just by tweaking the text transcript. This is perfect for interviews, podcasts, or any long-form content. The AI syncs your text with the video, making cuts and adjustments a breeze. Next, we have the AI music generator. This tool creates royalty-free music based on your video's mood, length, and style. Plus, you can customize it to fit your project perfectly. Say goodbye to hours spent searching for the right track. Filmora 14 also introduces the AI Copilot editing. Think of it as your virtual editing assistant. It gives you tips, suggestions, and automated workflows, which is super helpful, especially if you're new to video editing. If quick content creation is your thing, you'll love the AI text-to-video feature. Input a text prompt and the AI generates visuals, animations, or stock footage to match your script. It's a game changer for social media content and presentations. Need custom images? No problem. The AI image generator creates visuals based on text prompts. Use them as backgrounds, overlays, or any visual element in your video. Another genius tool is the AI Smart Cutout. It detects and removes backgrounds from your clips or images, isolating subjects effortlessly for that professional touch. For audio, Filmora 14 has you covered with AI Audio Stretch, which adjusts audio length to match your video clips without distortion. There's also AI Vocal Remover, perfect for creating karaoke videos or remixing audio tracks. And don't forget AI Noise Removal. It cleans up background noise for crystal clear sound. And let's talk about enhanced AI effects like motion tracking, auto reframing, and facial recognition. These features add dynamic elements to your videos, making them stand out. Filmora 14 is designed for content creators, beginners, small businesses, and educators. It's versatile, time-saving, and accessible, with both free and paid versions available. The free version has basic features but adds a watermark, while the paid version unlocks all features, including the AI tools. In a nutshell, Filmora 14 leverages AI to simplify the editing process while still offering advanced capabilities. Perfect for anyone looking to create high-quality videos without the steep learning curve. So, what are you waiting for? Revolutionize your videos with Filmora 14 AI and take your content to the next level. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome tips and reviews. See you next time.